Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So I went on vacation, came back, and in this area, it had been taken over by fungus. So I scalped the entire lawn down today. This is Zoysia. You can see some of the yellow in there. But normally I would verticut this, but I loaned my verticutter out and I have not gotten it back yet. So I'm having to take the good old rake and I'm just gonna pull all this dead material out, open the ground up for new growth to push its way through. I'm gonna throw some fertilizer out here and hope for the best. We are at the end of July right now. I believe today's the 21st, maybe the 20th. And so hopefully I'll have some growth pushed through and fill this back in. But this is all disease damage. For me to Brian. Oh, okay, lawn fans. So now I've got all that dead material up. I'm gonna use my rotary mower with the bagger, get it up off the ground and see if there's any more patches that I need to get up, and then I will put some fertilizer out on this. Okay, so there was indeed more material that needed to come out of this with the second raking. So now I'm going to drop the mower to the lowest setting and I'm going to get all this up. Then I'm gonna come in with my backpack leaf blower. I'm gonna blow all this out to make sure that I've got everything out of there. In the meantime, interesting tidbits I found right here. So we could be dealing with a critter that's gotten down in there and ate whatever bugs might have been down in there, and the bugs may have been chewing on this area of grass. So I already have an insecticide out here that's gonna kill off any of that, but I may have to set some traps out, see what this could be right here. But anyway, so now let's get this cleaned up and then we'll blow it and clean it up again. Okay, boys and girls, I blew it out, the grass that is, and I found out what's wrong. This is grub damage. How did I find that out? Watch this. Boom. I can roll it on back. And boom. I can roll it on back. So I am not oblivious to the fact that this is some pretty major grub damage. So I'm going to come out here in a minute again and treat this. And this is pretty bad damage. I don't think that this is going to recover this season. So my best thing to do is to plug this. It's going to be best thing to do would be to resod this area. But I've got a donor bed over there, and I'll take some other plugs from around this, and I'm probably looking at 50 plugs there, maybe. Some of this, it's got a lot of green still in it. It's going to come back in, but some of that is pretty bad. So it sucks, but it's grass. It'll grow back eventually. So that's it for my lesson today. Well, there's no lesson. I went on vacation and grubs ate my yard up. And I treated it with insecticide before I left. Obviously not good enough or strong enough. Anyways, Bermuda Brian is out.